charcoal mask. And this, I got in a BoxyCharm, but this costs $30, and you can get it at Sephora. Apply to clean, damp skin, massage onto skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse with warm water. The claims are ultra purifying and gentle, works like a magnet to draw out pore clogging dirt, oil, and daily impurities, while cleansing away age-accelerated pollutants for a flawless, fresh, smoother looking, and clarified complexion. And like I said before, this is pore, clearing, so this is a little bit on the drier side. And normally I try on a good week to use at least 3 masks. I'll try to use a hydrating mask and a sleeping mask, because those are very easy. It's a no-brainer. It's not time consuming. You just put it on and go to bed. I try to do an exfoliating mask at least once a week. And then which one do I usually go for? Or a tightening or firming mask as well, given my age. But those can also be a little bit drying, so I don't do those as often. All right, the next type of mask is resurfacing, exfoliating. And the one I have as an example is this Vichy Mask Peel Double Eclat. And this you can get at CVS and Target. Target also carries this line. And this one is $20, and apply to clean face for 5 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. This one I use, I'll put it on before jumping in the shower and, leave it on while I bathe, wash my body, do whatever I need to do. And then, should be about 5 minutes or so, and then I rinse it off. That's the one thing that I like about this one. This is the only one that I have that is less than, it's not like 10, 15, 20 minutes. This is only 5, which makes it a lot easier to just kind of, do it more often. And I like it. I've been using it for about 2 months, and I really, really like it. It's got like little tiny, like almost microscopic almost. They're so tiny to exfoliate the skin, and it leaves it feeling like so soft. It's amazing and pretty affordable for $20. Okay, then after that, a vitamin C mask, which vitamin C is brightening, it's hydrating. The one I have is from Farmacy, and it is the Bright On Vitamin C Mask. This costs $38, and you apply it to clean dry face in circular motions until color transformation has occurred. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, this one is also quick. I always leave it on longer, but I guess you can do 5. And then rinse with warm water. The claims are a color-changing vitamin C clay mask that brightens and detoxes skin by removing buildup and impurities to visibly improve the appearance of skin, texture, and tone. I really, really like this one. I'm almost out of it, and I probably will be repurchasing this one as well. So after Farmacy, a tightening and firming mask, like I mentioned before. The one that I have is the Glamglow Youthmud, and again, a deluxe size, but the full size is $59, just like the others. This is no longer sold, but I think what the one that replaced it, which I don't have to show you, is called Glamglow Gravitymud. I think they just reformulated the packaging. I think is purple, the new one, and but I think I'm pretty sure that that's what they just replaced it. They changed the name, and then the color is different now. But it targets the same, you know, skincare concerns. So apply to clean face, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. This one's a little longer. Once it's completely dry, gently peel off and rinse excess with warm water. The claims are a mud-based peel-off face mask designed to tighten the appearance of skin. Simple, sweet and simple. After that, what do we have? A soothing mask, which you know, the target for a soothing mask, I guess, would be people who suffer from redness or who have really, really sensitive skin, or maybe if you know, you have a week where you've been trying maybe a new skincare product that irritates your skin, or you've been putting on a lot of makeup and you know, you just need something to calm the skin and kind of, you know, give it that nice relief. This one is an affordable one. This is the e.l.f. Marsh-mellow Soothing Mask, and this is $10. And I really haven't experienced that. I just bought it because I'm a sucker for skincare and because it was really cheap, like I said, at Marshall's. So I have it just in case. I really, you know, I love skincare. What can I say? And you know, I'm just a sucker for it, and it is what it is. But anyway, apply to clean, dry skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Sounding a little bit repetitive here, but you get the drill. The claims are: this soothing clay mask calms the skin with a nourishing layer of our rich, opaque clay gel hybrid formula, infused with coconut water, kaolin clay, some type of clay, and shea butter. This mask leaves your skin feeling supple, soft, and soothed. So there you have it, folks. Thank you. That is it for today. That is it for me. Thank you so much for spending a couple of minutes of your day with me. I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.